Hi guys, my name is Santosh and today we are going to see the unboxing and review of HAVELLS Moderna Portable Lamp. So stay tuned to this video and subscribe to my channel for more of these kind of videos. Thank you. Today I'm doing this unboxing and review of HAVELLS Moderna Portable Lamp, and this is a 4.5 watts output LED study or a desk lamp which has an inbuilt rechargeable battery. So let's see what is there on the box first. So the product looks sleek and well built. So they are claiming, or they are giving 6 months warranty on this product. I got this product purchased from outside, not from online, so I cannot give you the link, but it is available on Amazon and Flipkart. So basically this is from HAVELLS. It is named as Moderna Portable Lamp or Study Lamp or whatever you call, like desk lamp. It has a 4.5 watts LED bulb, and it is dimmable, so you can just if you can zoom the thing here, it is dimmable. So let's see what is there on this side. Okay, so you have the features here. So it has got a charge indicator. I think you can see no LED, 3 hours continuous battery backup, on off touch based switch is there. I think it is, this is the one, we'll see. And touch sensor based dimming. So you can see the power specifications. Power source is 230 volts. Initial charge, we need to charge it for 24 hours before we use it, and regular charge is 18 hours. You can use it for 3 hours. And the light source is 22 LED which has a 4.5 wattage output, and the battery is 4 volt 2000 mAh powerful maintenance free rechargeable battery for claiming. And before we start using this, we need to charge it for 24 hours. And so they have these instructions here: keep away from fire, heat, water. Okay, so in case of prolonged usage, the light output will get weak. Thereafter, the user must recharge for 16 to 18 hours. This is after the first recharge of 24 hours. First charge of 24 hours, you should start charging it for 16 to 18 hours before you start using it again. So okay, so this side we have the prices. So it is the item name is Portable Lamp Moderna. Okay. So the MRP shown here is 1400, but I got it somewhere around 600 to 700. So it was after the discount. So let's see, it is marketed by HAVELLS India. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay, so we have the lamp here. Okay, keep it aside, and the recharge cable and a warranty card. Okay, so let's keep everything aside and see the product. Okay, so this is the product. You can see it is well built. The plastic quality is good, and it looks sleek. Before let me see if it is got some charge. Oh yeah, it has got some charge. So you can see the output. So this is the lamp, and it has got on off button here. It has got recharge indicator, charge indicator, and it has got the charge port here. So I will charge it for 24 hours, and I will see how the lamp performs, and I will tell you about it more after I get it fully charged. So this is the output. You can see it's quite bright actually, and it is very well, and you can carry it wherever you want to, since it is a portable, and you don't have to carry the charger along with it every time. So once you charge it for 18 hours, you can use it for 3 hours at a shot. So it's quite nice. It's quite nice. So this is, it has got an adjustable head.